So the process to receive same calls on two different iPhones at the same time is quite easy and simple. Simply go and open up the settings. And now there are two things. The first is that on the both phones, you need to have the same iPhone account. That is the iCloud account that you can see on the top. And the second thing is you should both have the same Wi-Fi. So you can see the Wi-Fi should be the same, and at the same time, the iCloud account should be the same. Once you have done so, you need to go down, and actually you need to go to the bottom and go to the apps. Inside here, you need to search for phone, and once phone is open, just go and open it. And once you are inside here, you need to go down, and under the calls, you have an option of calls on other devices. Tap on this. Now here you need to allow calls on other devices. So make sure that you have turned this on. And now you would see other devices that you have, and make sure you have turned on the buttons. And once you have turned on, that means you would receive the same call on multiple devices. It could be two, it could be three. And hope this video has helped you. But before you go, please like the video.